Hey everyone, I've had many people comment on this video stating they are unable to see the remix reel option on their Instagram, and so I've made a video for them. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. This would help me and the channel very much. So it could be several reasons why you're not getting the option on your Instagram app, so do watch the video till the end. So the first reason is human error. So to enable Reel Remix on your existing video, you need to go to your Reel video by tapping on your Profile tab, then Reel tab. Now here select your reel, then tap on the three dots at the bottom right. Within this menu, you should see the option to enable remix. Once you do that, this will give the chance to other users to remix with your reel. Another misconception users have is that they assume any reels can be remixed. That is not correct, as the creator of the reel needs to enable this within their Reels tab. So as you can see, on some reel videos, Reel Remix is enabled, while on some it's been disabled, as we don't see the option for it. The second reason would be that your Instagram is not updated to the latest version. At the time of this video, the latest version for Instagram on iPhone is version 184, which was released on the 19th April 2021. For Android phones, the version is 185.0.0.12.116. So go to your App Store or your Play Store and make sure you update your Instagram to the latest version. The third reason is that your Instagram app on your iPhone or your Android is either corrupt or not working to its full potential. I would suggest uninstall and install your Instagram app and then try again. For Android users, you can do this as well, or you can go into the app settings and clear data and clear cache and try again. The fourth reason is that the remix reel option has not been enabled for your account by Instagram, and for this reason you'll need to report it to Instagram. To do this, go into your profile page. Now tap on the three lines at the top right, then tap on settings, then tap on help, then tap on report a problem, tap on something isn't working. Now here explain the issue where you're unable to see the Reel Remix option on your account. Provide plenty of screenshots, then submit it, and Instagram will then resolve your issue. And there you go guys, that is how to resolve the issue with Reel Remix not showing up on your Instagram app. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and share it with your friends and family. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.